When it comes to skincare, serum indeed is a modern day favorite. From repairing skin damages to brightening your complexion, a vitamin C serum is often labeled as a skincare powerhouse all over the world. Keya Shade Aromatherapy Skin Defense Vitamin C Serum is boosted with 20% vitamin C concentration. This product contains the most stable form of vitamin C, known as AA2G or ascorbic acid 2-glucoside, that allows the fullest use of vitamin C's bioactive functionality in skin brightening, promotion of collagen synthesis, antioxidant effects, and other skincare needs. Simply put, this most stable form of vitamin C contributes to skin hydration, skin brightening, increased collagen production, reduced redness, faded hyperpigmentation, prevention of skin sagging, protection against sun damage, removal of under-eye circles. Another important factor in vitamin C serums is the combination ingredients. Our vitamin C skin defense serum is created combining vitamin E or Tocopherol and vitamin B3 or Niacinamide in the right proportions, which makes the product way more effective than others. In fact, the fusion of ascorbic acid 2-glucoside and tocopherol offers maximum skin protection, boosts the effectiveness of vitamin C, promotes healing, improves skin elasticity. On the other hand, niacinamide acts as a moisturizing, anti-acne and anti-aging active. It plays a vital role in stimulating new collagen synthesis. Also, it whitens skin tone, reduces skin pigmentation, regulates blood circulation in the skin, and controls sebum contents of skin and acne. To achieve the best results, Step 1. Wash your face. Step 2. On a clean and dry face, apply Skin Defense Vitamin C Serum 3 to 4 drops and massage lightly all over before going to bed. As simple as that. Do remember, don't include our Vitamin C Serum in your day skincare regime. Keep it for the night. Men and women above 16 can feel free to use it for a healthy glow that stays on. And the good news is, it suits all skin types. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.